And so by announcing this now, forces users to have to start planning to make a decision on whether or not they're going to upgrade their GPU at all, and potentially what that is. And for a lot of people, and I'm included in this camp, I haven't used AMD hardware except for stuff that's been given to me. I haven't purchased and used AMD hardware. That includes GPUs and processors for well over 10 years, 15 years or more, maybe more like 18. Was the last time I actually touched a AMD